Are you interested in coming to the United States for a short business trip or tourism needs? As international travel starts getting back to normal, individuals may be interested in a short-term visit to the United States for specific needs, and we have a visa for that. Often referred to as the B visas, the B1 and B2 are both temporary non-immigrant visas that allow holders to travel to the United States for qualifying business or tourism purposes. To be eligible, you will need to prove your reasons for coming to the U.S. and demonstrate ties to your home country to ensure that you will be leaving once your temporary visa expires. When granted a B1, B2 visa, you will be given 6 months to stay in the United States with the option to extend up to 1 year. In this video, I want to go over some of the tips that we like to share with applicants before starting this B1, B2 process to improve their chances of approval. First, you want to be sure that you can show strong ties to your home country. When applying for a U.S. temporary visa, one of the first things that U.S. immigration officials will try to detect is if you plan on leaving when you are supposed to or if you're going to try and stay. The best way to prove these strong ties is through a number of supporting documents, whether that's business, family, or real estate related documents. Some great documents that you could use for your B1, B2 visa application include a letter from your employer about the job that you will be returning to, location documentation of your business that you will be returning to, home or property contracts in your home country, or documents that support your family that you will be returning to. Next, you will need to show proof of trip details and reasons for coming to the United States to again prove that you are coming with real and legitimate reasons. This means flights to and from the U.S., where you will be staying, how long, and what you will be doing there, etc. While some applicants may be hesitant to share all of this information, the more supporting evidence that you have, the better chances you have of being accepted. You will also need to prove that you have enough money to support yourself while staying in the United States. This is pretty standard as many B1, B2 holders are not coming to actively make money, so you will need to show that you can financially support your full stay. And lastly, be ready to explain any relationships to people in the U.S. As I mentioned before, an immigration officer's job is to determine if the visa applicant is coming to the U.S. with the right intentions, and a lot of times people will try to stay. Having connections to people in the United States makes it more probable that someone would want to stay, so if you are visiting anyone or know people in the U.S., you may be asked about those relationships, so be ready for that. Many foreign nationals are actively looking to get their hands on a B1, B2 visa for a temporary stay in the United States, whether that's for tourism or business reasons. We have helped many applicants successfully obtain a B1, B2 temporary visa, and we can help you too. Book a consultation to speak with an immigration professional so we can determine if you qualify to visit the United States through the B1 or B2 visa.